What's going on, traders? My name is Steven. I want to welcome you guys to my channel, which usually I don't do videos and put them up. I use YouTube, but I don't do my own videos like that. I did a video a while back, but that was about it. Most of the information that I do when I do my analysis that I put it up on my Instagram, and that's the platform that I actually use. Today I said let me just do a video breaking down what I see coming this upcoming week for, like, you could say the first week of November. We just had the non-farm payroll Friday, and nothing really happened at all. It spiked down, came up, but nothing major. No movement. And this is, to get started, this is the weekly chart. We still at a major resistance. The market really didn't move this week that just passed. But those red horizontal lines that you see are the possible targets where the market might be heading in these upcoming weeks. And before that happens, this week coming up, as I mentioned, the first week of November, we should be having a few days of bearish movements, or some down movements. Let me see. Let me go to the daily chart to show you guys why I feel that's gonna happen. I don't think the market's just gonna open up and move straight up. What might happen is the market, usually it happens anyway on Sundays when the market opens, it either gaps down or gaps up. So expect that to happen, and if not, then it's not gonna happen. But let me show you guys why I feel the market is, we're gonna get a day or two, maybe three, of some down movement. Go to the daily chart. Right here we have a regular bearish divergence. I'm big on divergence, by the way. I wasn't big on divergence before because I didn't quite understand it, but once I got the hang of it, with the pattern that I trade, the 1 2 3 pattern, and the market maker method that I use, it just fell in place perfectly. So we have a regular bullish divergence showing us a higher high right here, well, the price a higher high, and the RSI showing us a lower high. And when you catch us on a higher time frame, you know the market is gonna give you some down movement. It happens all the time. The divergence happens a lot. A lot of traders miss it because they don't understand it. But once you understand it, you can jump on it and catch a quick 15 to 30 pips before the market keeps going up or keeps going the other way. We also have divergence on the 4-hour chart. Hold up. On the 4-hour chart, I forgot to mark it. Let me mark it up for you guys. Right here, regular bearish divergence. Another higher high. And this stuff works. A lot of people say, oh, divergence this, but it's because they don't understand it. They trade whatever they trade, and whatever works for them works. But if you ever get a one-on-one session with me and I break it down to you, you're gonna be like, oh man, this is good. So the same thing that we saw on the daily chart, we're seeing it on the 4-hour chart also. Even though, look, you look at the daily, the trend is up, but look at all this resistance that's been holding this price from moving all the way up. So like I said, we're gonna get some down movement. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. Before the market goes up, possibly reaching 115 and even more up. And before that, when the market opens up Sunday and this upcoming Monday, we should get some down movement. At least to cover these two wick ranges right here. the price needs to come back and fill these two, needs to fill this range up, so that it can either go back up or it might continue to come down a bit more. You know, we also have regular bearish divergence on the 1 hour chart. You know, so when you get that back to back on the daily 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, best believe it's gonna come down. As you can see, it already has started coming down. You know, this doesn't fail. It happens. You know, like look at here. I didn't mark this up, but this is a bullish divergence right here. And we have a bullish divergence here. As you can see, the market went up. It gave you some levels, 1, 2, 3. Started consolidating, and all of this is just consolidation. Nothing's been going on. You know, but this is my take on this USDJPY pair for this upcoming week. Nothing but consolidation. You know, the market tried to push up, but it's not ready. It's not ready yet to hit that 115 level, that 115 price zone. You know, you can see, like I said, I trade USDJPY and gold. That's about it. And I think if you starting off as a trader, stick to one pair, master that one pair, and don't get it confused, because a lot of traders, they want to do 4 or 5 pairs, and you need to understand where the market is moving. There's a market cycle, a pattern that happens every time, and if you catch it, you'll know how to trade it correctly. Matter of fact, this is the market cycle right here. Gives you 3 levels down, 3 levels up before reverses. You know, but there's way more to it, and I'm putting some things together because I really want to train. I want to get some students and just share all the knowledge I have with them. But from now on, this is what I think is gonna happen this upcoming week of November, the first week of November, you could say. We're gonna have a day or two of some down movement, maybe 3, before it goes back up. Okay, so guys, thank you again for checking my channel. I'm gonna put a link in the description of my Instagram, so you guys could check out my analysis that I put up. I'm also gonna put a link of my Telegram. Thinking about starting a Telegram thing so that we can chat and just talk about trading and stuff like that. For now, if you like this video, please comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and appreciate you. Thank you so much.